Mula Vina. Nice to see you all again. Hello. Hello, nice to see you again. Hi, Mula, how are you? You look very well today. Okay. Who, you? Okay, okay. How are you? Mula, Mula. Copy. Thank you. Mother's Day, I know, will be celebrated internationally on Sunday, this Sunday. So this is a pre-Mother's Day visit, just to come and see you, the mothers here at the Babasiga Ashram. I know that for most of us who are here, Mother's Day may not be something that we look forward to. But I'm here to assure you that the government is thinking about you on Mother's Day, and my being here is a testament to that. Most of us here are mothers. I'd like to acknowledge also the staff and our media partners who are here. Motherhood, for most of us, it's something that we treasure every day. It's a privilege and honor that a lot of us enjoy. And it's something that we look forward to every day. I myself am a mother of 3 children. My youngest is just 1 year old. So it's something that I treasure every moment of. And being able to share Mother's Day with you and just to share a few gifts that the ministry has prepared, government has prepared for the residents, the mothers here at the Babasiga Ashram. It's also a great day. Mother's Day is a day that I like to stress upon the children, our Fijian children around the country, to appreciate and respect their mothers. We are all aware of the challenges that women face, not only in Fiji, but around the world as well, in relation to gender-based violence and the inequalities that women face in their everyday lives, whether at work, at home, or just out there in the communities. It's also a day to stress upon that and do what we can as a government, as a community, to address these inequalities in life that women face generally. Mother's Day, like I said, it's an ongoing thing. I don't believe it should only be celebrated one day in a year, which is Mother's Day on Sunday. It's a daily thing that should be appreciated, respected, and comforted each and every day of our lives. And that obligation, really, that gift is upon our children. Children are not only somebody I believe, somebody that we gave birth to. When I say children, I mean each and every person in this country, each and every Fijian has that responsibility to respect the older women in your communities, in your lives. I'm really happy to be here with you today at the Babasiga Ashram. I've been here only once before, and to come back here to celebrate with you Mother's Day is something that I truly appreciate. I thank you all for being here, for the brightness that you bring to this day in Labasa, and I hope that what the ministry has prepared for you, that you will like, just in appreciation of the Mother's Day on Sunday. With those few words, I'd like to thank you again, and I hope you'll enjoy the rest of the program. Minak. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Can I leave this here? Thank you. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Mimi na ano sinatawag. Happy Mother's Day. I love that smile. Happy Mother's Day. It's just a visit to let the mothers who are at the Babasiga Ashram, let them know that we're thinking of them. We're thinking of them, and I know it's it can be quite a difficult day for some mothers, particularly those at the ashram and who don't get relatives to visit children. They have children, but where are the children today? It's fallen on the state to now look after our own mothers. That's a sad message to us as Fijians, when the state has to step in to do what we as children should be doing in our homes. And that's why I'm here today, to let these women who have given the best years of their lives rearing children, who would have, some of them would definitely have the means to look after them, but have chosen not to. And these are the fortunate ones. There are others out there who may be on the street, who may be living with people who are not related to them. It's a call on children. Mother's Day shouldn't really only be, shouldn't only avert our attention to the privilege of motherhood, but should also be a call on children to respect their mothers and to look after them in their old age.